When it comes to tackling home projects, having the right cordless tools can make all the difference. We carefully picked these 15 must-have cordless tools that offer convenience, power, and versatility. Perfect for everything from simple repairs to big DIY jobs. Whether you're a weekend warrior or just want to keep your home in top shape, these tools will help you work smarter, not harder. Check them out, and don't forget to drop a comment below with your favorite pick or any cordless tool you think should be on the list. 15. Cordless air inflator, like the DEWALT 20V Max inflator. Imagine never having to hunt for a gas station air pump again. With a cordless air inflator, like the DEWALT 20V Max, you simply grab it, set the exact pressure on the digital gauge, and inflate car tires, bike tubes, or even sports balls in minutes. The built-in LED light means you're ready for emergencies anytime, even in the dark. And those multiple nozzles? They make sure this inflator works with just about anything you throw at it. Once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Cordless hot glue gun. Think Ryobi 18V1+. Don't underestimate what a cordless hot glue gun like the Ryobi 18V1+ can do. This isn't just a craft tool. It's your go-to for quick fixes around the house. Loose trim, cracked decorations, even holding wires neatly in place. No cords, no waiting around. It heats fast, sticks well, and fits right in your hand, so you can move freely from one room to another. Perfect for those small emergencies or spur-of-the-moment DIY ideas. Cordless rotary tool, for example Dremel 8220. When you need precision, a cordless rotary tool like the Dremel 82220 is a game-changer. It's lightweight, fits comfortably in your hand, and with its variable speeds and tons of accessory bits, it sands, cuts, polishes, and carves with amazing control. Whether you're restoring furniture, trimming small pipes, or adding detail to a project, this tool makes those fiddly tasks feel easy. And even fun. Cordless shop vacuum. Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Cleaning up after a project doesn't have to be a chore. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel cordless shop vacuum powers through dust, sawdust, even liquid spills. And it goes wherever you do. No cord limiting you. Its compact size and attachments let you get into every corner. And with a HEPA filter, you're not just moving dust around, you're trapping it. Having one means your workspace stays cleaner and safer. Instantly. Cordless electric screwdriver. Bosch Go 3.6V. For all those little screw-driving jobs, assembling furniture, tightening door handles, or putting up shelves, the Bosch Go cordless electric screwdriver is just the right tool. It fits in your hand, weighs almost nothing, and with adjustable torque settings, it won't strip screws or damage wood. It's perfect for quick fixes and small projects, and once you use one, you'll grab it for everything. 10. Cordless Caulking Gun. Ryobi 18V1+. Applying caulk can get tiring fast, but the Ryobi 18V1+ cordless caulking gun changes the game. It applies smooth, consistent pressure without you having to squeeze a trigger for minutes on end. It stops the flow instantly when you need and works with all standard cartridges. Seal windows, tubs, or gaps easily, without hand cramps or messy drips. You'll find yourself reaching for this tool every time you want professional-looking seals. Cordless pressure washer. Greenworks 40Vi. Imagine washing your car or patio without dragging hoses or finding outlets. The Greenworks 40V cordless pressure washer gives you freedom and power to clean anywhere. Adjustable pressure settings mean you can be gentle with delicate surfaces or tough on dirt and grime. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and its battery lasts long enough to get the job done in one go. You'll never look at outdoor cleaning the same way. Cordless work light, DEWALT 25V Max LED. Good lighting changes everything, especially in tight or dark spaces. The DEWALT 25V Max cordless work light gives you bright, adjustable beams that follow your every move without the hassle of cords. Durable and weather-resistant, it's perfect for garages, basements, or outdoor projects. With this light, you'll never have to struggle to see what you're working on. Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool, FEIN MultiMaster, or similar. The Oscillating Multi-Tool is the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. The FEIN MultiMaster cordless lets you cut drywall, scrape paint, sand edges, and even plunge-cut wood, all with one tool. Its oscillating action makes precise cuts without kickback. Being cordless means you can take it anywhere, indoors or out, and switch accessories quickly so your workflow stays smooth. Cordless staple gun, Stanley or DEWALT. When you're reupholstering furniture, hanging insulation, or securing fabrics, a cordless staple gun from Stanley or DEWALT saves your hands and speeds things up. It drives staples quickly and evenly, with adjustable depth for different materials. The cordless design lets you work freely without wrestling cords or bulky compressors. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you stapled before. Cordless paint, sprayer, Wagner or Graco. Painting just got easier with a cordless paint sprayer from Wagner or Graco. It sprays smooth, even coats quickly, and reaches nooks and crannies brushes can't. No cords, no dragging hoses, just grab and spray. Great for fences, furniture, cabinets, or walls. With adjustable flow rates, you control coverage and speed. This is the tool that turns a painting chore into a quick, satisfying task. Cordless reciprocating saw, Milwaukee M18 or DEWALT, for demolition, remodeling, or cutting through wood, metal, and even nails. A cordless reciprocating saw like the Milwaukee M18 is a must. Its aggressive blade action powers through tough materials, and the cordless design means you're not limited by plugs or extension cords. The adjustable shoe and variable speed let you control depth and cut style. You'll reach for this saw for every big or small job that demands power and precision. Cordless impact driver, Makita or Bosch. Driving long screws or bolts, the cordless impact driver from Makita or Bosch delivers the torque you need without jamming or stripping. Its quick bursts of high-impact power make driving screws effortless, especially in hardwood or metal. Compact and lightweight, it fits in tight spaces and won't wear you out. It's one of those tools you won't want to do without once you've tried it. Cordless circular saw, Skilsaw or DEWALT. A cordless circular saw from Skilsaw or DEWALT lets you make straight, precise cuts wherever your lumber is. No dragging wood to the workshop or wrestling cords. With adjustable blade depths and bevel cuts, you get versatility for framing, shelving, or DIY furniture projects. A lightweight design with a powerful battery means you work longer and easier. This saw is the backbone of many successful home projects. Cordless Drill Driver Combo, DEWALT 20V Max or Makita LXT. The cordless drill driver combo is the heart of your toolbox. DEWALT 20V Max or Makita LXT are top picks. These kits usually come with both a drill and an impact driver, multiple batteries, and chargers. Variable speed control, adjustable clutch settings, and comfortable grips mean you can drill holes or drive screws in wood, metal, or plastic with confidence. They're powerful enough for big projects, yet easy enough for quick fixes. If you only get one cordless tool, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you found this list helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home project tips and tool recommendations. Have a favorite cordless tool we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing your recommendations. Until next time, happy building and stay cordless.